Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Paper Airplane book is probably one of the most fun and engaging activity books you can find. It's packed with a variety of paper airplane designs, each with its own unique flight characteristics and folding instructions. Whether you're a seasoned paper airplane enthusiast or a complete beginner, this book offers something for everyone, providing hours of entertainment and a chance to learn about aerodynamics in a fun, hands-on way. Number 5. Paper Airplane Kit. Ready to take flight? This kit is perfect for anyone who loves the thrill of building and launching paper airplanes. It's a fun activity for all ages. The kit comes with everything you need. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, so you'll be soaring in no time. It's a great way to spend an afternoon. Explore different designs and experiment with flight. Each design offers a unique flying experience. This kit encourages creativity and hands-on learning. Get ready for hours of entertainment. This kit provides endless fun for individuals or groups. It's a classic activity that never gets old. Experience the joy of flight with this amazing kit. It's a perfect gift for anyone who enjoys a bit of fun. Get yours today and let the adventures begin. What we like. This kit is super easy to assemble, making it perfect for those new to paper airplanes. The durable materials ensure that it can withstand countless flights. If you are just starting out or looking for a fun activity for the whole family, you should consider this one. What people say. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex. The paper is pre-cut and scored, making it easy to fold. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, with diagrams. Number 4. Ultimate Paper Airplanes for Kids. Are you ready for some high-flying fun? This amazing set is perfect for kids who love to create and explore. It comes with everything you need to build incredible paper airplanes. Inside, you'll discover 12 unique and exciting airplane designs. Each one is different, offering a variety of flight styles and challenges. It's a great way to learn about aerodynamics. The included instruction book makes it easy to get started. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions for folding each plane. You'll be soaring in no time. With 48 tear-out paper planes, there's plenty of material for hours of fun. You can experiment with different designs and see which ones fly the farthest. It's a fantastic gift. Get ready to launch your imagination. This set is a fantastic way to encourage creativity and hands-on learning. Get yours today and watch them take flight. What we like. This book features 12 innovative designs, each with detailed instructions to guide you. The tear-out paper planes make it easy to get started right away. If you are looking for a variety of unique designs and a hassle-free experience, you should definitely check this one out. What people say. This book is fantastic. The designs are creative and fun to make. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 3. Preschool Paper Crafts, 25 Creative Crafts. Today, we're diving into the world of preschool paper crafts. This book is filled with fun and engaging activities. It's designed to spark creativity in young children. Inside, you'll discover 25 unique craft projects. Each one is carefully designed to be both enjoyable and educational. It's a fantastic way to keep kids entertained. These crafts are perfect for practicing hand-eye coordination. The activities encourage focus and precision. This helps children develop essential skills. The crafts also help improve scissor skills. Children will learn how to cut and shape paper. This is a crucial skill for their development. Preschool Paper Crafts combines fun and learning. It's a great resource for parents and teachers. They can use it to create memorable experiences for kids. What we like. This book offers 25 creative crafts to practice hand-eye coordination and scissor skills. It's a fantastic way to engage young children in fun and educational activities. If you have preschoolers and want to help them develop essential skills, this is a great choice. What people say. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The paper is of good quality and the perforations make it easy to tear out the pages. Number 2. 100 paper planes, expertly designed for flying fun. Have you ever wanted to make your own paper airplane? This is the perfect product for you. It provides everything you need to get started. These paper planes are expertly designed for optimal flight performance. Each plane is crafted to soar through the air with ease. Get ready for hours of interactive fun. This product is perfect for all ages, providing entertainment for everyone. The instructions are easy to follow, making it simple to create your own fleet of paper airplanes. It's a great way to spend time with family and friends. With 100 planes, the fun never has to end. It's a great gift idea for anyone who loves to have fun. What we like. With 100 expertly designed paper planes, this book provides endless interactive flying fun. It's perfect for anyone who loves to experiment with different designs and enjoy the thrill of flight. If you like variety and a long-lasting activity, you should pick this one. What people say. This book provides clear instructions and diagrams. The paper airplane designs are varied and interesting. The book includes different types of folds and techniques. Number 1. Pelto Paper Airplane Kit, Christmas Gift. Looking for the perfect Christmas gift? This kit is designed for kids aged 8 to 12. It's a great way to keep them entertained during the holidays. This kit includes 60 festive paper airplane sheets with various designs. Each sheet has different designs on each side, turning your home into a Christmas wonderland. It comes with a detailed instruction book that teaches you how to build 10 unique paper airplanes. The guide is full color and easy to follow. This kit encourages creativity and enhances motor skills. Kids can choose from various designs and have fun while learning. The kit is packaged in a beautifully designed Christmas gift box. It's made from environmentally friendly materials, adding an extra touch of holiday joy. What we like. This kit comes with 60 holiday-themed sheets and a beautiful Christmas gift box, making it a perfect holiday gift. It encourages creativity with various festive designs. If you are looking for a fun and engaging Christmas activity, it's the perfect choice for you. What people say. The book includes a variety of designs, from simple to complex. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The paper is of good quality and the perforations make it easy to tear out the pages. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.